What's up, you guys? So I am in sunny Arizona, and y'all, this is my first time being in away mode. And let me tell y'all, this is such an experience because I'm from Chicago, and we don't have these at all in Chicago. This is such an experience, and that's why I tell you guys, go experience life. Go do the things that you have never done. You guys, I have went through so much in my life that at this point in life, I absolutely refuse to settle for less. I refuse to be scared of living my life. I refuse to be afraid of being the best version of me that I can be. And that's why, you guys, I'm telling y'all to go start them channels. I want you to start them channels even if you're afraid, even if you're rebuilding, even if you're at the lowest point in your life today. Go start that channel so that you can start living, so that you can start doing the things that you want to do. You guys, in this video, when I get back to my hotel, I'm going to give you guys a free tutorial. And I'm going to give you guys a free tutorial teaching you guys how to start that channel, teaching y'all how to actually make money from the channel so that you can retire and do what you want to do in life. Y'all, I'm just here on a random Thursday, and I just wanted to share this with you. I wanted to share this experience with you, but more importantly, I wanted to share the information. So I'm going to do a full tutorial for everyone, and you guys, start the channel. I have a whole community, a whole group that is teaching you how to, 1, start yourself a faceless channel, 2, put up your digital products for additional income, and 3, you guys, how to post correctly, how to really beat the algorithm so that people can see your channel, people can buy your digital products, you guys, and so that you can help your community. I love to teach you guys this because, y'all, this was one of the biggest tickets to my freedom. And y'all, I want everybody to be free. You guys, go click the link in the bio, go get my full program so that you guys can start this, so that you really can start living your life and doing the things that you want to do with your life, so you can start being happy. You guys, let's get into the tutorial. Let's go. So what we're going to do, you guys, we're going to go right into the course. You guys, your content, what I did was, you guys, I already pre-made your faceless content to start that faceless channel. Okay, this is going to be super simple, super duper easy. This tutorial is for all of the beginners. If you're a beginner, you're going to love this tutorial because it's not really techie. Okay, Coach Sam is not a techie woman, and this is for those of you guys who this is your first time on YouTube. You guys, use this method. Okay, I'm not a super techie girl and I don't use a lot of AI, but this is the quickest, most efficient way to start your faceless channel. Okay, so what you're going to do, you guys, you are going to go right into the melanin reels. This is included within your course. Okay, this is your content. This content is amazing because, you guys, this content is literally money making content. This is what's going to attract the viewers, and we're turning them into buyers. Okay, and what are they going to buy? They are going to buy your digital products like your ebooks, your journals, and your planners. I want you to link your ebooks, your journals, and your planners onto this channel. So one of the channels that have done just amazingly well for me, you guys, is the budgeting channel and my motivational channel. Okay, those are my top 2 channels over the 5 channels that I have on TikTok and the 5 that I have on YouTube. Those are my top 2 channels, and those are the 2 channels that I want you guys to start. So let's go here and I'm going to show you how to start that channel. Okay, so like I said before, this is the content. This is included in your course, and this is viral content. It is not the long content that makes your channel go viral. It is the short form content, the 6 to 7 second shorts or reels as they call them. Okay, so this content is viral content. This is what's going to attract people to the channel because it is very aesthetically pleasing. Okay, so this content makes it look like you are on vacation It makes it look like you are somewhere enjoying your life in front of a Benz, you guys, and just nature. You guys, this content goes viral on social media every single day. Thousands, hundreds of thousands of views on this content every day. Comments. You guys, you're going to be able to use this to promote those digital products that I was telling you about. We are turning our viewers into buyers, and this is how you start it, okay? So what you're going to do is you are going to pick a reel, short here that you want to put on the channel. All of this is faceless, and all of this makes your channel go viral. This is the same content that I have on my channel, okay? This is the same content that is giving me hundreds of thousands of views, the same content. And I put it here for you guys because I do not want you to have to guess what to put out. I don't want you guys having to guess and having to try to figure it out yourselves. I'm gonna give you what works on my channel, and this is exactly what works. So we're gonna go here to the content, and I'm gonna let you guys see it. This looks absolutely amazing. And even if you're a man or a woman, this content will make that channel go viral, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're going to pick the reel that you want to put on your channel, and then you guys, you are going to go here. You're going to go to ChatGPT, and like I said before, I want you to start one of two channels, either a budgeting channel or a motivational channel. Do not start both channels at the same time. Let's grow one channel, watch it make you hundreds of thousands of dollars, and then you guys will move on to the next. But I do like budgeting first, okay? So I have a budgeting channel for single moms, okay? This budgeting channel for single moms, what I do, you guys, is I ask ChatGPT for the tips, and then I put the tips and I overlay them on the reels, okay? So you could go right here, you could go, listen, and I ask ChatGPT, hey ChatGPT, give me 100 budgeting tips for single moms, okay? And then ChatGPT gave me the budgeting tips, and all I have to do, you guys, is go ahead and use them on the faceless reels. That's how super simple and easy it is for you to start a faceless channel. And I'm telling you guys, start off with the tips, okay? Those videos get hundreds of thousands of viewers. Everybody loves tips. Everybody loves hacks. You guys, that is what's going to get your viewers. Like I said before, these extended reels draw those viewers in, and like I said, they're going to create for you buyers. We just want to attract the views to the channel, and that is how you're going to get monetized, and that is how you're going to sell your ebooks, your planners, and your journals on the channel. You can put any digital product you want, but like I said before, I got you covered, because you guys, I have the financial planner, the budget tracker planner, all that is in the channel. So all you have to do is literally link these to your channel and start making your money. Not only are you going to get monetized within 48 hours, but it's time for you to start making an income across them, okay? I sell my digital products for at least $50 a pop, you guys, and across all 10 of my channels, I do about $50,000 in channels every single month. When I tell you guys, this is simple, easy, and anybody can do it. So even if you're older, even if you don't have any experience, it doesn't matter, because you can start this today. You can get monetized on those channels, and you can start making income on those channels, okay? Like, share, and subscribe. I hope you guys really like the video, and I hope you guys really take the leap of faith and start this, because this is going to change your life in 2026. And when you are on that beach and sipping your mojitos, I want you to say, I'm glad I started that channel, and I'm glad Coach Sam showed me how to do it. Like, share, and subscribe, you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!